All right, so we're going to test a theory. A lot of you guys are wanting to get started. You guys are in my DM saying, how do I get started? What's the first thing I do? But you can't figure it out, right? So I'm going to make it easy for you, and I'm going to walk you through it. The first thing you want to do is set up an Amazon account. And to do that, we're going to go to Google. We're going to search for Sell on Amazon Free. And when you do that, you're going to go down to where it says How to Sell Amazon Free. Once you get there, you're going to go up here to Pricing. Once you get to Pricing, you're going to go all the way down here, right? This is what's immediately highlighted, which is the professional selling account. It's what I recommend, and I'll tell you why in a second. It's $39 a month, right? So $40 a month. But what they do is you don't pay the dollar per listing fee. And in exchange, you get the Prime box, so the buy box. By offering Prime to your customers, they'll get free 2-day shipping. So instead of you having to sell books from your house, you get to sell them by having them sent into Amazon, and Amazon will pick, pack, and ship your books to your customers. Then if there's any questions or concerns, they'll handle all those questions and concerns for you, which means all you got to do is find books, list them, send them to Amazon, and collect a check. This is the easiest way to do it, in my opinion. But if you're going to do this, you're going to make sure you sell at least 40 books a month. It's not hard, but that $40 or 40 books a month covers the cost of this $39.99, because a dollar times 40 is 40, and that's how much this costs. At the end of the day, you don't actually have to sell more than 40 a month, but what I will say is it makes a lot of sense to. And this is the easiest way to get started. This is going to give you the MWS settings you're going to need for ScoutIQ. It's going to give you all kinds of stuff. The main thing that it's going to give you, though, is that support. It's going to give you the ability to just send the books into Amazon and let them handle all the questions, concerns, refunds, shipping, picking, packing, handling everything for you. Buy your books, you label them, you send them in, and your work's done. After that, it's really just clerical work of maintaining your account, making sure that once your book sells, that you take care of your account and remove those listings, close them out, restock the books you can stock, but it lets you focus more on the important things of your business rather than focusing on the ins and outs of, how to sell your book and making it to the post office on time and making sure that your book is in the box properly and packed up, and then making sure that once it gets to your customer, you track the book by using the tracking information to make sure they received it, and making sure that if there's any questions along the way, which is undoubtedly going to happen, hey, it's been 15 minutes. How come you're not, sending me tracking information for the book? This is all the stuff that's going to be taken off your plate, so you don't have to worry about it. It's worth the 40 bucks. Not only that, but being able to use ScoutIQ to make all those buying decisions, it really gives you all the information on the same screen. Check out my other videos. I'll give you the information on how that works. I just did a video as well on account maintenance and making sure that your stranded inventory is taken care of, making sure that any books that you're restricted on are removed from your listings, and making sure that the listings that are still there on your account after the book sells are removed as well. Making sure that your IPI, your performance index score, doesn't go down. Doing all the little things that's going to make sure that your account stays healthy and make sure that you continue to get that buy box. If you like videos like this, check out my TikTok, check out my Instagram, DM me on Instagram for any kind of information or questions you guys have. I'm going to link down below for all my affiliate links. If you sign up for ScoutIQ or Accellerlist or Nuprice, I'd appreciate it. I get a small kickback. It's not much. I'm not going to become a millionaire off this stuff, but it does help me out. Also, consider joining my mastermind. I've got a few spots open. I think I've got like 10 left. That'll give you one-on-one access to me for phone consultations. So if you do want to have like any kind of phone conversations to help you grow your business, or if you just don't do well with text or email, it's really the best way to communicate with me. Plus, it gives you guys that access that you're looking for. So I'm here for you. Like, subscribe, hit that little bell. That way you know when the next video comes out, and I'll be right here for you guys. But check out my TikTok. I've been getting a lot of, little 60-second videos on there if you don't have a lot of time to kind of give you some tidbits here and there. some bolos, making sure you're looking for those books that make you the best money. Little tiny things that you probably wouldn't think about, but check it out. And come on back for the next video, and I'll catch you guys later. Thanks again for stopping by.